Hi guys, welcome to Airdropspot. In this short video, I want to show you how to get unlimited Monad Testnet tokens. So if you have been trying to use the official faucet and every other faucet to get test tokens and it is saying that you are not eligible, this is what you can do. First of all, we are going to be making use of Testnet Bridge. And on this website, we are going to be bridging mainnet funds over to Testnet. However, you don't need to be afraid because you are not spending much. So we are going to be using Arbitrum in this video. We are going to be bridging from Arbitrum, mainnet Arbitrum over to Sepolia Ethereum. Okay, so I'll be bridging 0.00072, that is less than $2 on mainnet Arbitrum, and that is going to give you about 7.5 Ethereum Sepolia. I'll then confirm the transaction in my wallet. It takes about a minute or even less than that for the transaction to be completed. Next, I am going to head over to Orbital Finance on testnet mode. And here I am going to be bridging my Ethereum Sepolia over to Monad Sepolia. I will scroll until I see Monad Sepolia. And that is it right here. I'm going to tap on that and then I'm going to bridge my Sepolia Ethereum over to Monad Sepolia. I'll click on bridge and then confirm the transaction in my wallet. This one also takes about a minute, and now we have Monad Sepolia. Lastly, we are going to head over to ambient.finance. On Ambient Finance, we are going to be swapping our Monad Sepolia over to Monad. So for you to be able to do this successfully, you need to have some Monad tokens in your wallet previously. So for those of you who got Testnet airdrop from Monad team in your wallet, if you have not used that Testnet token, this is going to come in handy, and then you can use it as gas fee to now swap your Monad Sepolia over to Monad. And this is how you get your Testnet Monad tokens without using the official faucet and with very little cost. Okay, so my 7.46 Monad Sepolia is going to give me about 28 Monad tokens, which will actually go a very long way in testing different dApps. Transaction completed. Now let's go into my wallet and then confirm if I have gotten this Monad token or not. Here we are. I'm going to click on tokens and then you can see my balance. Previously, I have 1 point something that I got from that testnet token airdrop, and now I have 28 more. You can repeat this for as many times as you want, and this is how you have access to unlimited test tokens on Monad. Now, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on the next update where we are going to be testing various dApps across the Monad ecosystem. Happy testing!